how to block contacts on your iPhone running iOS 18. Whether you want to stop spam calls, block unwanted messages, or simply protect your privacy, this guide has you covered. First, let's talk about why you might want to block a contact. Blocking is a great way to prevent unwanted calls and messages from specific numbers or contacts. Once blocked, they won't be able to call, message, or FaceTime you. Note, they can still leave a voicemail, but you won't get notified. Now, let's dive into the step by step process. We'll start with the phone app. Follow these steps. 1. Open the phone app. Launch the phone app and tap on the Recents tab to see your call history. 2. Select the contact number. Find the number or contact you want to block and tap the Info button, the little eye icon next to it. 3. Block the contact. Scroll down and tap Block Caller. Confirm your selection, and that's it. This contact is now blocked. Next, if you're receiving unwanted text, you can block contacts directly from the Messages app. Here's how. 1. Open the conversation. Launch the Messages app and open the conversation with the person you want to block. 2. Access contact info. Tap the contact's name or number at the top of the screen to open their details. 3. Block the contact. Scroll down and you'll see Block this caller. Tap it and confirm your action. Blocking on FaceTime works similarly. If you have unwanted FaceTime calls, do the following. 1. Open FaceTime. Launch the FaceTime app, then find the call you want to block. 2. Tap the Info button. Tap the info icon next to the contact's name. Scroll down and select Block Caller. iOS 18 also lets you manually add contacts to your block list through the Settings app. This is especially useful if you haven't yet received a call or message from the number. 1. Open Settings. Go to your iPhone Settings app and scroll down until you see Apps. Tap on it to navigate to Phone Settings. Within Apps, find and tap Phone, then scroll down to Blocked Contacts. 3. Add New. Tap Add New and select the contact you wish to block from your contacts list. Once a contact is blocked, they can still leave a voicemail or attempt to call, but you won't receive any alerts or messages from them. If you ever decide you want to unblock someone, just go back to the same block contacts list in Settings and remove them. That's it. Blocking contacts on iPhone iOS 18 is straightforward and helps keep your communications clean and secure. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to channel for more tech tutorials, and leave a comment if you have any questions or tips of your own.